Hello everyone, it's time to make our article detail view a little more professional. At the end of this video we will switch from this layout to this layout, much better. But not just writing CSS classes but using math-card component of Angular Material Library unstopped. So let's start right away. I will talk you about math-card component, how to import math-card in your app, how to use a math-card with example. Hey, stop. Okay, maybe I'm exaggerating. Let's take this one step at a time. A math-card is a content container for text, photos, and actions in the context of a single subject. A math-card can be made up of a combination of several elements. The allowed elements in a math-card tag are math-card header is a section anchored to the top of a card. Math-card content is the card body. Math-card image, card image stretches the image to the container width. Math-card actions is a container for buttons at the bottom of a card. Math-card footer is a section anchored to the bottom of a card. First, however, it's necessary to import the module into our project. You must always do it from the app.module.typescript file, adding this string. Import math-card module, copy and paste, and replace icon with card. Now add to imports array a new module, math-card module. Okay, now open the article detail HTML file. Insert all this code inside our math-card tags. Math-card. Now we had a new tag, a math-card header. Math-card header. Math-card header contains other elements: math-card title, math-card subtitle, and one of math-card small image, math-card medium image, or math-card large image. Now we replace the div containing the product name with the string math-card title. Remove this paragraph and replace div with math-card title. Okay. And move in math-card header. Now let Angular adjust the image dimension for us without defining height and width anymore, using the math-card LGImage attribute. So, move image tag. Now add math-card LGImage attribute. And remove width and height. Now let's add the math-card content tags, which will contain the other product information. Finally, we had math-card actions tags, and we move card button inside it without the div. Math-card actions. Well, save and reload the app. Save all and start Angular. Start Node.js web server. And where is the result? Let's give a final style touch. Now we align the button at the bottom right, specifying the align end attribute to the Mathcard action tag. Now let's center everything, open the CSS file and code a new style rule, math code, with 14%, set margin, and we make the body text more readable with a medium font, Mathcard content. Font size medium. And finally change the style of the add to cart button. Assign math fab attribute and color worn. Okay, if you missed my previous video on how to turn a simple HTML button into a catching material button, check out the Angular playlist on my channel. Now save all and wait for reload. Okay, math icon, shopping cart. Okay, not math code, Mathcard. Now look, image, how image appear. Replace the article detail image or attribute with a fixed URL image. Well, much better, much better. Okay, I leave it up to you to try other styles using the Mathcard graphic component. That's all for today. Like and subscribe to the channel for next stress-free coding video. Bye.